Good morning once again, ladies and gentlemen. We are ready to go now. Therefore, could you please ensure all seatbelts are fastened securely now, clearly visible to the cabin crew with the buckle facing forwards. Once again, please switch off all electronic devices. This does include mobile phones and electronic books, etc. And if you do have a mobile phone with a flight safe mode, could you please enable this now before switching off for our departure. Your safety is of primary importance to us. In a few moments we'll take you through the safety features on board this aircraft today, and we do realise many of you have actually flown before. However, every aircraft is different, therefore could you give us your full attention. In addition, you may have observed that some of your crew on board the flight today may be wearing different styles of uniform. Thomson Airways are proud to present our latest range of uniform, and this is currently being rolled out to all our pilots and cabin crew. In the interests of your safety, we'd like to bring this to your attention, the differences in uniform styles of your crew today. In addition, we ask those of you seated to exit to study the exit operation on the safety card. If you're reading a newspaper or a magazine, could you please put these down for a few moments? Any personal headphones must be removed now, and all window blinds should be open at this time. Thank you.